Hi, my name's Danny. I'm going to show you what it's like when electric vehicle charging is readily available and drivers could charge up wherever they go. The difference is that EV drivers don't have to make a separate stop to charge. They just top off their batteries whenever they're parked. They could charge their car while they're sleeping, whether they live in a house like this one, or in an apartment or condo. It's as simple as plugging in your mobile phone at night and waking up to a fully charged battery. My car has enough range to take me to work and back every day, but EV drivers love plugging in at work in case they can't charge at home or if they need to run extra errands throughout the day. Plugging in only takes a couple seconds before heading into the office. Most people only charge at work and they get the range that they need for driving after work and on the weekends. In fact, we've seen that 80% of people mainly charge at home or at work. With network stations like ChargePoint, EV drivers can check their charging status and get notifications for when their batteries are fully charged so that they know when to move their car and let the next person charge. Driving electric becomes more convenient every day as infrastructure gets built out. EV drivers love topping off, so they'll often choose a business that offers EV charging over another. This creates an opportunity for organizations of all types, like retailers, parking garages, municipalities, apartments, commercial real estate, and more, to attract EV drivers to their location. Sometimes drivers will look for DC fast charging, which is great for adding a lot of range quickly, like if they need to make an unexpected trip across town, or if they're on a road trip and they don't mind paying a little extra for fast charging. Many people who drive for ride-sharing companies rely on DC fast charging so they can charge up quickly and get back on the road. DC fast is also being used to charge buses and delivery vehicles as they electrify. ChargePoint has been building out this infrastructure for over a decade. You can learn more at chargepoint.com.